common problems that I hear from clients that sell to Wayfair, Overstock, or Home Depot is that I continue to order more inventory, but I also continue to be out of stock on my best sellers. Hi, I'm Josh Roberts with RSG Sales, and we are an e-commerce account management and coaching firm, and we focus on accounts like Wayfair, Overstock, and Home Depot. Over the years, in working with a lot of different home decor suppliers, with e-commerce retailers, without question, it is very challenging to maintain the right inventory level so that you stay in stock on your best sellers. And ultimately, it's one of the final hurdles to really maximizing your business so that you can elevate to that next level. So simply ordering more without a reason why or a purpose won't get you to the end result that you want. Ultimately, you need a very fact-based approach which measures the amount of product that you're selling on a given SKU month after month, and coupled with what is your factory or source of supply lead time, so that way you can determine what you need to maintain on hand and also have on order at all times so that you stay in stock in these best sellers. So if you have any questions regarding next steps or would like to talk about this topic or any other topic regarding your e-commerce business, simply click on the link below and schedule a call with us. We've also laid out a few simple questions that will help us better understand your business so we can maximize our time together on the call. And we look forward to speaking with you to help you with your e-commerce sales channel.